Susan wants to know, your service is so great, thank you, but you aren't set up for tips. What's your thinking behind that?
So if you want my honest opinion, I feel like in the world that we live in today is extremely over-gratuitized. Yeah, not that long ago, I went through the drive-thru and have been asked for tips in the drive-thru, and I just feel like it's just totally out of control. Service industry workers are grotesquely underpaid. You know, I think a lot of places or a lot of people want to say, well, it shouldn't be a job, but let's be honest, like there's some people out here that make a living doing it, and if we didn't have the people doing it that are making a living doing it, this business wouldn't be what you expect it to be. Almost every single one of our guys are career guys. We have one kid who's in high school, and but that's it. Every one of our other guys they're either married, has kids, pays rent, pays health insurance, all those things. And our guys deserve to do that. And maybe some of you guys don't think that, but I feel that way. I feel like people in the restaurant industry deserve to live. My employee's salary is not your responsibility to pay. I feel like we charge what we think is fair for the food. However, I don't feel like my guys should live off gratuity. So I pay them a very reasonable salary. As a matter of fact, I pay my guys better than most.